Hello, my name is Marcus, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Avira Password Manager browser extension. The Password Manager browser extension adds some great functions to your browser. Our browser extension automatically logs you into your accounts, so there's no more tedious typing. And it saves and generates passwords, all from within your browser. The Password Manager browser extension is available for Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Opera. If you don't have a compatible browser, we recommend Opera. It comes with our browser extension pre-installed. Let's set it up. To unlock Avira Password Manager, type in your master password. If you're logged out of our Avira account, you'll first have to re-enter your Avira credentials. You're now inside our Password Manager dashboard. Open Settings. Click on Install Extension. You'll be directed to the App Store for your browser. We're using the Chrome Store as an example. The steps for Firefox and Opera are the same. Click Add to Chrome. In the pop-up window, click Add. You're done. The Avira Password Manager icon appears in the top right corner. With a browser extension installed, you can open Avira Password Manager just by clicking this icon. Why don't you check us out at support.avira.com. Bye for now.